In this video, we are going to watch how to trade with Fibonacci extension, RSI divergence and trendline. Before watch it, disclaimer. First we see here the Fibonacci extension and purpose of using Fibonacci extension and how to use the Fibonacci extension. Before you select the Fibonacci extension, you want to draw the path. See, this is the path in trading view. So I already drawn by using the whiteboard. Now I draw the path with the trading view likewise. This is the path. Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. How to draw the Fibonacci extension? Yeah. According to rule, any point here from starting point of the trend, then ending point of the trend, then the retracement point. Anywhere we can draw that one. In a path, there are too many starting points for a trend. Trend means going up or down. Going up or down. Impulse move, pullback. Impulse, pullback. Impulse. So, impulse starting point is here. Impulse ending point is here. Then pullback. Impulse starting point is here for this trend. Impulse ending point is here. Then pullback. Likewise, we can watch how to select Fibonacci extension. From here, you see, the second one is trend-based Fibonacci extension. So we want to select this one. Then the starting point of the trend, then ending point of the trend, then pullback of the trend. That's all. Okay. This is the Fibonacci extension. You see now. Here we can find where is the market going to extend. There's a question come. How to exactly find it? By using these three things, we are going to find one is this market after the retracement, we are going to extend. Will it break it or it will break the previous high or low? Not only that, will the trend is continue or we are coming to achieve our profit targeted area? We are in a path that is uptrend or downtrend. How will it be if it is reached the profit targeted area? We want to confirm this one. We should have to draw a trend line for confirmation, and as well as we are going to reconfirm by using the RSI divergence. So the benefit of using Fibonacci extension is it going to break the previous resistance or support level? Even if it is broken, then in which area will it extend? Even if it is extend in an area, then until when it go, and have we been reached the target profit area or the trend is going to continue? These are the things we are going to find by using this Fibonacci extension. For confirmation, we are going to use the trend line as well as RSI divergence. Just we start how to use trend line. Just I draw a trend line. You see this trend line. The market is going to downtrend from the uptrend. So there's a confirmation we have received. At the same time, the Fibonacci extension level, which shows us 61.8% on this area. So we have found now the area which here the market is going to down. RSI, normal RSI, relative strength index. Just we have a setup here. You see, this one we take out. Okay, now you check here. We are in relative strength index. This is the sell position because of RSI divergence and Fibonacci extension as well as trend line. Three of the indicators confirmed the market is going to lose its uptrend position and it will continue the downtrend position. These are the things we have learned now, and you can use for uptrend, vice versa. The market is coming down now from here, lower high, lower low, then lower high, then lower low. Now we want to draw the Fibonacci extension for this trend. This is the downtrend. Here you can see the path: corrective move, impulse move, corrective move, and impulse move. And then touch the starting of corrective move, that is called continuation, downward continuation move, and then coming end of the downward continuation move, then come to end of the impulse move. Then if you draw like this, then you can find the market is going to uptrend. Yeah. Now here once more in from this area, starting of downward trend, that means the corrective move, and end of corrective move, and end of impulse move, then draw like this. Now you see this is going to end the market here. Its indicators, this market broken the previous support and it's continue. The continuation is going until this 100 level. Now we want to confirm this one. So for this we are going to use a trend line until where this market will go, where we want to book our profit. So we want to draw a trend line. We have drawn a trend line. If the trend is broken this area, we can enter to bookmark. We can take our profit. This area we can leave from market and take our profit. The trend is going to change. The market is coming under 100, coming until 100. The market is coming until 100. Already market reached until 100. That means the market is will not move from this area because it's broken the trend line. If it is move, then it will go to option. So it will not move. So it's already broken that area. So we are watching this area is the best area for taking a long position. Then we have booked our profit here for the short position from here to here. Now we come to RSI indicator. This is RSI relative strength index. We come here. RSI indicate in this area now uptrend. We decide that it could move here, but we don't know will it move or not. For that, next attempt we have to draw the trend line. Just we have drawn the trend line. We decided this trend line is here. So we believe this one will broken on this area because of the market price broken this trend area. And also another one is our RSI. Here I have already selected. You can select the indicator and RSI. You write down RSI, then you can select the RSI. If you select the RSI, we can see here this area. You see here RSI divergence. So here is market lower low. Here is lower high. But here is higher high. Lower high is come to higher high, low, but it's broken the root level of RSI. That means 30. This is the point. Now we have identified this area to exit from this low trend, and also we are going to continue the buy position long trend. So the short trend is exited from this area. Just we have used the three identification method. One is Fibonacci extension, second one is trend line, third one is RSI divergence. So friends, just we are coming to conclusion. We can identify approximately. Thank you for watching my video. We can meet in next video. Please subscribe my channel if you like my videos, and like and leave a comment, and also press the bell button. Thank you.